Recently, Indian Prime Minister visited Washington, held meeting with the current US President, and India again made promise to provide latest defense equipment, including the latest fighter jets. Why it is so?
I think this is a very important and relevant question. You're probably referring to Mr. Trump's offer
Exactly, of F-35.
to provide F-35
Exactly.
fifth generation
Latest
stealth
aircrafts.
fighter to India. My view is slightly different from the popular view, and I'll tell you that I don't take it as a foregone conclusion that despite Mr. Trump's magnanimous offer, India may still not accept or induct F-35.
India
I-
may not accept.
May not accept it for 4 reasons. Let me tell you why. Number one, Indian Air Force is primarily based on the Russian technology. Its entire aviation industry is based on primarily
On Russian technology.
Russian technology. Secondly, its entire training regime, communication system, air defense system is of Russian design. Secondly, India values its strategic autonomy as an objective above operational excellence and above technological superiority. This is very important to understand in terms of Indian strategic culture. This is not the first time American administration has offered India the most advanced weapons. Let me
True.
share with your viewers that previously India had been offered 2 very important things.
True.
Number one, you would recall I was in Washington, I think it was in 2006 or 7 when Indo-US nuclear deal was offered. But to this date, I think it's been almost 19 years. India has 22 nuclear reactors.
India has 22
22
nuclear
nuclear reactors, and all of them are of Russian origin or Russian technology. They have not purchased even a single nuclear reactor
From
from the
United
US,
States.
despite their advanced technology. Secondly, when India was bidding to purchase advanced fighter aircraft for its aircraft carriers, 6 aircraft participated in its bid. And that included the McDonnell Douglas most advanced F-18C EF Super Hornet. It included Rafale. It included Russian aircraft.
True.
It included European fighter aircraft.
True.
It included other aircraft as well. But India chose Rafale aircraft over the American technology, not only because it is technologically superior, but because
It was-
France offers more flexible terms and conditions than America. You know very well, Pakistan knows very well, in number of conflicts and crises, our spares were stopped.
Exactly, Pakistan.
So India
This is
also
very,
knows
very, very
that
important
even if
aspect
you
here.
receive something which is very advanced and sophisticated, what good is that weapon system if its spares are stopped when you need these
when
weapons?
you need these spare for
So that is something
maintaining
which is why India prefers to go for Mirage 2000,
And Russians
Rafale, and Russian
French.
aircraft. Secondly, their own aircraft, Tejas, symbolizes their hope to develop an indigenous fighter aircraft similar to JF-17 Thunder. They have
True.
not succeeded so far,
True.
but they want to have their own fighter jet. If millions or billions of Indian money in dollars is given to the US to help Mr. Trump save the jobs of American defense industry workers, then it will mean that the jobs of Indian aviation industry workers are at risk. So that means it will have to divert funds from their own Hindustan Aeronautical Limited
True.
towards foreign procurement and review their policy of strategic autonomy. Lastly,
Lastly,
it is
please.
highly unlikely that India expects all defense suppliers, whether it is France or Russia, to provide complete transfer of technology and build and assemble those aircraft in India.
Within India. True.
I don't think
It will happen.
F-35 is the most advanced US fighter
Aircraft.
and the most expensive US fighter program in its history. It is unlikely that Trump will offer assembly line or production
Technology
plants in
transfer.
India because that goes against Mr. Trump's own agenda, that he wants to
Wonderful.
save American jobs and industry. If
Exactly.
he shifts the production line in India, it will not provide the jobs to Americans. It will provide jobs to Indians.
Very true.
And the technology is so sensitive and it is not compatible with Russian air defense system and communication system and radar system. And you recall very well, in case of Turkey, Turkey was supposed to receive F-35 as a member of NATO.
True.
But in US backed out of this offer
Of
from
that deal.
Turkey when they bought the Russian surface-to-air S-400 missiles. India already has S-400 missiles. India already has French and Russian radar systems and communication system, which is not compatible with American weapon system. So based on these very valid and logical reasons and India's strategic anxiety and suspicions about American coercion, I doubt that India, despite this offer, will accept
Will go.
it and depend heavily on an American fifth generation weapon system.